Have you ever wondered what the world of work will look like when machines start to think faster than us? When an idea that once took days can now be created by code in seconds? What happens when intelligence no longer belongs only to humans? For decades, we built machines to make life easier. But now, machines are learning why they do what they do, and that changes everything. Right now, somewhere in a glowing lab, an algorithm is learning to design better than designers, to code faster than coders, and to make decisions once trusted only to the human mind. But wait, should we fear it or thank it? If a robot takes your job, does it steal your purpose, or does it free you to do something greater? Let's travel to 2030, a world where offices are quiet because most of the work is done in silence by invisible algorithms running on invisible servers, where factories glow blue in the night, no sweat, no sound, just precision, where every company, every business, every person has an AI partner. But ask yourself, what happens to the millions whose work was replaced by code? Do we vanish into unemployment? Or do we evolve into something new? Creators, thinkers, dreamers beyond repetition. AI doesn't sleep, doesn't get tired, doesn't complain. It doesn't need food or rest. It only learns and keeps learning. But can something that doesn't feel ever truly understand? In this world, the line between man and machine begins to fade. You write an email. AI finishes it. You start a drawing. AI paints it better. You think of an idea. AI turns it into a product before your coffee cools. So, where does human creativity go? Will it die, or finally be reborn? Some say AI will destroy millions of jobs. Others say it will create even more. But who decides which side of the line you stand on? Will you be the one who commands the machine, or the one replaced by it? By 2030, every job will speak the language of data. Farmers will use drones. Doctors will use algorithms. Teachers will have virtual classrooms. And artists will collaborate with code. The future isn't about man versus machine. It's about man with machine. Those who learn to work with AI will rise. Those who ignore it will vanish into history. But deep down, there's a bigger question. As AI becomes more human, will humans become more like AI? Will our emotions fade as we chase perfection? Will empathy disappear in the race for efficiency? Or will AI teach us something profound? That our true value has never been in speed or logic, but in imagination, emotion, and soul. Because no matter how advanced AI becomes, it cannot feel the sunrise. It cannot hear the laughter of a child and smile. It cannot dream, hope, or fall in love. So maybe, just maybe, I will replace our jobs, but not our purpose. The humans of 2030 will not work harder. They will think deeper. We won't build machines to serve us. We will build them to understand us. And in that moment, the war between man and machine will end. Not with destruction, but with understanding. Because the question was never, will AI replace humans? The real question is, can humans learn to be irreplaceable?